SmartBotsLand friends. In this video, I would like to talk about another useful feature of Telegram bot. If you don't have any bot, you can create it and it just takes 1 minute. This feature is about a special reports of form maker button, and I'll show you. This is my bot and I write a /start and I choose my form maker button. For example, this is BMI. As you can see, this form maker button report is sent to all operators. If I don't want that my user information to be sent to anyone other than the admin and not to send to operators, or also you need this report will be sent to your channel or group so your operator can reply in your channel. And finally, if you want to customize this message, I will teach you how to do it in the panel. Log into your panel, bot button. This feature is only for form maker button. I edit my form maker button from here and special report. Display user information. If you don't want that your operators see your user information, you can disable this option. And report recipients. As you can see, you can select channel, group, or operator. I select one of my channel and also select my group and my operator. If you would like that your operator reply to this report in the channel, you have to activate reply by operator and send files and maps to recipients. Now finally click on edit. By this account, I'm not admin, I'm an operator here, and I try it. As you can see, I haven't received my user information. For example, her name, her full name, and whatever. Let's see my channel and group. This is my channel and you can see this report is sent to my channel and group is same as the channel. So this video is done. Stay tuned for our other videos. Have a good time.